Wordle enthusiasts, prepare for a challenge. Today's puzzle, number 1619, might leave you scratching your head, but we're here to help you rise to the occasion. But is it a fair game for all? The latest Wordle has a unique twist. It's a word without repeated letters, a rare find in the English language. And that's not all, it's a culinary term, a key ingredient in a beloved food. Are you ready to guess? Hint 1, no repeats. The answer is a word with no letter repeats, a true linguistic anomaly. Hint 2, vowel power. 2 vowels are present, adding a harmonious touch to this word. Hint 3, starting strong. It begins with the letter D, a powerful start to a powerful word. Hint 4, ending gracefully. And it concludes with an H, a subtle yet significant ending. Hint 5, baking bliss. This word is a baker's delight, referring to a flour-based mixture used to create bread. The answer. Dough is the word you seek. A simple yet essential term in the culinary world. Recent Wordle solutions. November 23rd, bunny. November 22nd, thick. November 21st, vowel. November 20th, grave. November 19th, maker. And there you have it. Another Wordle puzzle solved. But the debate rages on. Is Wordle a game of skill or luck? Do these hints help or hinder the experience? Share your thoughts in the comments.